But this is the Tdap vaccine, which will protect those that are 7 years of age or older.
Candace Geyer is showing the boosters needed to combat whooping cough. She's been a nurse with San Diego Unified Schools for 17 years and says illnesses like whooping cough can spread quickly.
We know our teenagers love to get together in peer groups and share things, and so we do see some clusters.
She says right now the number of cases is rising. This year there have been a total of about 20 reported cases of whooping cough in the district and the elementary, middle, and high schools combined.
My frame of reference would be last year compared to this year, and it is significantly more active this year.
Tell me about whooping cough. What exactly is it?
The classic thing we think of with whooping cough is this like really bad coughing spasm people will have that's followed by this really loud inspiratory whoop after the cough is done.
According to the San Diego County Public Health Department, there were 329 cases reported last year. This year, that number jumped to 557, an almost 70% increase.
Certainly can be spread easily in large group settings. So, during the holidays with family and friends, in schools.
As for schools, Geyer says not everything is being reported.
Probably more cases we're not hearing about.
She's hoping her kids stay healthy, especially for the rest of the year. In El Cerrito, Jane Kim, ABC 10 News.